Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So this is something I don't get to share every day. This is a Lexus GX 460 and it's done up very well. And this has definitely become the go-to off-roader for a lot of folks nowadays. The go-to overlander, I should say. You know, this between this and the, of course, the 4Runner. You know, built on the same exact platform, built in Japan, of course, both of them. This has the 4.0 V6 and this has a V8, so a lot of people will actually lean this direction. A smaller displacement V8, of course, than the LX 570, but still a lot of people will lean that direction for that reason. And again, you know, they've developed quite the positive reputation of being super durable, and of course, you know, a very similar reputation as a 4Runner and Land Cruiser, just being, you know, super reliable and having a ton of residual value as well these days. So I figured I'd just kind of pull over and do a real quick walk around video and just kind of highlight some of the features on it. As you can already see, it does have some KO2s on it, has a Prinsu rack, a little bit of a lift kit on it, aftermarket wheels. Let's kind of shut up here for a minute and walk around, let you guys soak it up. These are 275 70 18s. Let me double check. Yep, so 275 70 18s. Looks like he has a Toytech lift on it, you can see. Looks like CBI sliders on it. We'll get a closer look. I haven't actually looked at it too hard just yet. Yeah, so CBI sliders here. As we drove up to it, my wife was like, "Ew, you're gonna take a video of that?" I was like, "Yeah, why not?" It's like, it looks like it has a beak. So the front end, to her, the front end doesn't look so hot. But I personally like them. Got a little bit more of a metallic finish to this, a pearlescent finish. What do you think of these tail lights? There's your side profile, or your stance there. Chrome handles on it. Looks good with the Prinsu rack though, for sure. I think it all came together pretty nicely in my opinion. Looks like a CBI. A bash plate up front, skid plate. What do you think? Does it have a beak? Which one do you take? Yeah, which one do you like better and why? Alright guys, well, I'll wrap up the video there. Appreciate you watching. Till next time.